Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Jyoti Gupta, and I'm here to share my KJ Somaiya BAT PSAPI experience with you all. So, let's begin. Okay. This was an offline interview, and you need to book the slot for the same. So, we have got cities like Delhi, Lucknow, Pune, we have Mumbai, we have Ahmedabad, and everything. So, which city, the city that is closest to you, you may choose that early as possible. So I've chosen for the date on 22nd February, and my time slot was the last slot that was in afternoon 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. So the process included like we have registration first, then VAT, then we have PSA and PI in the same room. So my venue, I have chosen Delhi as my center, and in Delhi there was this Prudence School where the Wellinger interview was held to. So yes, that was the venue. So firstly, the registration and VAT were taken on in the auditorium that the picture is showing, where the picture is showing. So first, we talk about registration and VAT. So it was started at around 1:45. They've called us in the auditorium and they have started with the registration process. They called out our names and we had to show them our online form that KJ Somaya has given us and the candidate profile one. Okay, so we need to print that application and government ID proof. So after the registration has been done, we had some important things to carry. Okay, so pen, qualifying scorecard, and exam pad. Exam pad for VAT. Actually, the place where we have seated, right? The place where we have seated. This is the place where we had our VAT. On the screen, we have showed the timer, the topic, and everything. Okay, so for this place, we need an exam pad to write on the paper, right? Some hard surface. So for that, we need an exam pad or the file you have taken, which will be more comfortable to you. You can take that. Okay. So before that, we had our presentation from KJ Somaiya. So it was for around 45 minutes. It was a very good presentation. First, they have showed us about Mumbai, the city, the chores and everything, the local train and everything. So they have shown us about that. Then they have showed us about KJ Somaiya. And after that, it was for around 45 minutes. The whole presentation was about 45 minutes. Then we have got into the our VAT. So the place where VAT was held was in the auditorium. So the topic was shown on the screen. The topic was the generational shift, transforming evolution or loss of traditional values. So again, it started at 3:45 p.m. We have got 2 minutes for thinking, and the time was checking on the screen. So we have given this paper, single sheet of paper, and the word limit. Sorry to mention, I have not mentioned here. The word limit was 300 to 350 words. So the this was in handwritten wet. You need to write on that paper, and we have got 20 minutes for writing 300 or 350 words. So after this, we have called by our names and we have told our panel numbers. So my panel number was 9 and I was called for about 30 minutes after 30 minutes for my panel number. So my when I was called, I got to the first floor where the interview was held and I waited there for around 15 minutes for my turn. So my interview was started at 4:32 p.m. and the duration was 12 to 14 minutes. There were two panelists, one male, one female. So I there were the alumni and the teacher from the KJSM. So yes. So in this interview, we had PSA and PI both in the single room. So problem situation, PSA stands for problem situation analysis. So this is the fun part basically. He has showed me, actually the male panel has showed me some cards, around 10 cards, and I need the A4 sheets cards and I need to choose one. So he was talking to me in Hindi at that time. He said that कि 1 लाख की लॉटरी, 2 लाख की लॉटरी और 2 करोड़ की लॉटरी क्या चाहिए तुमको choose one, and you don't need to see it in it. So yes, lottery lag gayi, ye lottery lag gayi, and all that. So that was the most fun part of the interview. So when I selected one, so well, they said that, oh, you got the tumko 2 lakh ki lottery mil gayi. He said that in Hindi. And yes, that made me so comfortable, not so nervous, and motivated enough. And luckily, my problem was AI, and we all are comfortable with AI. AI is used for teaching assistants in school and universities and everything. So there were 3 questions regarding the same. Like, I remember the first one, can AI replace humans? ठीक है. So there were 2 more questions after that, but he has not said, he has said that you don't need to answer 3 questions. You just need to summarize the whole scenario, and you just need to speak. What do you think about the topic? That's it. Not the three. You don't need to answer the 3 questions. You can say anything you want to say, and that's it. No, there is no mandate to answer each and every of the question. Okay, so after after I gave my answer and my whole conclusion to what AI is about, they have asked me many questions, cross questionings regarding the same. Actually, my point was bit confused by one panelist, the female one. So the male panelist actually helped me. Actually, he had explained my point to the female one. He has said that Jyoti is saying this, and he actually said that, Jyoti, I'm giving the interview from your part. I'm so sorry, and I want to share. I want to just correct her the whole scenario. And क्या मैं सही कह रहा हूँ ये जो आप तुमने कहा था? So I said yes, you are totally right, sir. So the ma'am has asked me about DeepSeek AI and everything around AI. So it was for around 4 to 5 minutes, I guess. Then the question was started by both the panelists simultaneously. Sometimes this panelist starts, sometimes this panelist. Then the fun thing is they were both smiling, and there was this cool aura and very happening and very happy aura in that room. So yes, first question was, Jyoti, why not job experience for? Why haven't you chosen for the job X first and go for the MBA? So I've answered, and I've mentioned about my father in that answer. So he asked me about, what does your father do, and I explained that. Then the female panelist asked me that, do you want to be an entrepreneur? You have to you want to be a start a startup and anything. Do you want to do that, or you just want to be under someone's pressure or work under somebody? So I accordingly gave my answer. After this, the female panelist asked me, do he what is about me that is not in my acads, my university, my schools, and apart from academics, outside my life, what is about me? So basically, it was kind of asking my hobbies and just like that. So I told her about the same. And so after this, she asked me that, do you follow do you have an Instagram page? I said, yes, definitely, ma'am. So what kind of pages do you follow? So I have told them about religious pages and the photography ones. So she asked me, what pages do you follow? Name some people and everything. So I told them. Then they asked me actually, I guess the male one asked me, what resonates you the most about Radha Krishna? So I told them that I feel a strong connection and everything. So after this, she has asked me, so Jyoti, do you follow anyone in spiritual line, religious pages? You have a figure there? So yes, I have told them about my following figure and my idol, and what is so special about him. So I answered them. Why? Whom do you follow and why? That was the question. So yes, here my interview ends. So basically, this interview was more of a spiritual interview. I may say that, more of a fun interview. I had the best experience in this interview because this interview was more towards making me comfortable, not nervous, and talking about the most comfortable topic. And the panelists were very, very they had this happy smile, they had this happy face and everything, the that motivates you, right? And overcomes you with your nervousness. So I believe this is something KJSIM has done, that they have this stressless interview. No grilling. They were cross questioning, but they were not grilling. They are smiling. They are helping me. They are talking towards each other and smiling and making me come more comfortable. They were even talking in Hindi, like the lottery one, the teacher in spirituality and everything. They were very cool about it. And yes, that was my interview at KGSM. And that was my whole experience. That was a really good experience. And thank you. Good luck to everyone for you, of you.